Like if my body is like, look, I want a piece of chicken. I'm like, for real? It's like, yes, a piece of chicken. And I'm like, I'm about to eat the chicken. I'll eat the chicken. I won't have anything with it except like mass. Like I'll try to have like a huge salad with it. And then I will have mass fruit with it and try to like fast the whole next day or something to help release it. But I know that I didn't want to do the analog meats or anything like that because I feel like that was keeping me further away from where I wanted to go. I have to be honest with myself, like I still crave these things. And yes, I'm going to eat it. And when I do this time, I know what to do to get back on track, how to help my body grab it and kind of push it out as soon as possible. Because I used to be a condiment queen. Like I have a cup of sauce with highly seasoned food and then dip the highly seasoned food with everybody in the sauce. Like, yes, this is everything. And it made me feel high. But I noticed that my tastes are going back. I can just have like steamed vegetables, or I love to make vegetable soup. And I really don't have to season it because the vegetables is the seasoning now. And then I'm more comfortable now after that first go around. I don't feel like I have to sneak. If I'm gonna eat the thing, I'm like, I'm not gonna hide, because that's me not being honest with myself. If I have to hide from people that could really care less, they just kind of being nosy when they ask. So I don't hide anymore. Although, because I know Brother Eric might be coming in the store sometimes, I'll be like, ooh, do I really want to eat this? I have like a peer pressure in my mind. Like, cause he might walk in, I'm about to put thing in, it'd be like a piece of, I don't know, jam, a piece of bread with some jam on it or something. He might come in like, hey sis, what's going on?